I'm Rick Dick, the how-to handy McGoogles. And we got a problem today. We got Bab on the couch, and she's got the coughs. Coughs have been going on for a few days now, and she's trying to cure it right now by reading Hit the Beach! The Rat Bastards. Old Bucksy in there, huh? Butsky. Butsky's in that book. So I've been trying to think of some ways to try and, cure the coughs here. And Babs, she's not taking to it too kindly. So today we're going to try a few things. And the first one is you wait for her to cough. Right? You wait, and then you go, ha! Ha! Hey! Hey! Woo! Woo! Doesn't work. And you have to go around the corner. Sneak up on her. Hey! Hey! Did it work? Might have cured. You know what? We might not even get to steps 2 and 3 because that might have done it. Oh crap. Well, let's try another method. The second method is something that's been passed down for a generation, so like 10 years or so that we've been doing this. And what it is, it's called the lukewarm bingo cup, and it's pretty interesting, I guess. You put a lukewarm water. Doesn't have to be a bingo cup. We just call that. This cup's been around, Once we're just digging around the dump, and wouldn't you know it, there's this bingo mug sitting right there, perfectly good bingo mug. My guess is that they went to bingo, broke the bank at the old bingo hut. And so it's sitting at the dump, right? So what are you going to do? Take it, right? Bring it home. I've never won with it, but whatever. Get your piece of bread, lukewarm water, and Bab's never tried this one, even though it's been around for 10 years. She's never coughed like this, though. Watch the tree! Good one. Thanks for upping the tree up. And you just put it in. Just like that. Soak it up. Right on. And you bring it over to Bob. And then she puts her nose in it, but not quite touching. Then you hold your breath for 15 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Here you're breathing. 16.
Keep going.
Is that it? Oh! We were like one stocking away. You lasted like 20 seconds. The best part about this cure is that it never actually worked before. But now you don't have to soak your bread for later. You can just rip it up. You can just wrap it up. You don't have to soak your bread because you already did. Alright, time to get serious. So now we have what is hopefully the cure-all. And I'm not usually supposed to be handling wine glasses, but since you can't move, here's what you do. Got that? You're supposed to drink it while you plug both ears. And hold your breath, I think. But it's actually a real thing. It's like I've never tried it, but I Google machined it. I put it into the internet and that's what it spit out. So
Okay. Can you pour it down my throat for me?
I'll just plug one of your ears,
okay.
how about? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Your ear's so warm.
Keep drinking?
You're supposed to finish it.
Okay.
But you didn't. Let's try it again.
Okay.
One more try. Plugging it. Drink the whole. Okay. Yeah. You've almost got her down. Different camera angle. This might be a real like artist. Just like real art. Oh, look at that.
That's pretty good.
Back to the book, I guess. Huh. We may have done it. We may have figured out how to cure coughing. Oh, red water. Got all these extra zip ties. You ever seen like long ones like this? They say you're imprisoning mice. And you were like putting them in together and they had to fight and you're zip tying them to each other. But if you zip tied them in a triangle and you had 3 little mice, that'd be a funny thing to watch. They're running around like this, right by the fire, and everyone's going, "Oh, let's feed them milk." And you're like, "No, they can't have milk." "Yeah, they can." "Why? Why can't they?" "Well, it doesn't make their stomachs explode." "That's pigeons."